Security guard creed. As a security guard, my fundamental duty is to protect lives and property and maintain order within the vicinity or place of duty. Protect the interests of my employees and our client and the security and stability of our government and our country without compromise and prejudice. Honest in my action, words, and thoughts. I do my best to uphold the principle maka-Diyos, makabayan, at makatao. Ethical standard 1. He shall be honest in thoughts and deeds, both in his official actuation, obeying the laws of lands and regulation prescribed by his agency and those established of the company is supposed to serve. 2. He shall not reveal any confidential matter committed to him as a security guard and such other matter imposed upon him by law. 3. He shall act at all times with decorum and shall not permit personal feelings, prejudice, and undue friendship to influence his actuation in the performance of his official function. 4. He shall not compromise criminal and other lawlessness elements to the prejudice of the customer or clients, and shall assist the government relentless drives against the lawlessness and other form of criminality. 5. He shall carry out his assigned duty as required by law to the best of his ability and shall safeguard life and property of the establishment where he is assigned to. 6. He shall wear his uniform, badge, patches, and insignia properly as a symbol of public trust and confidence as a trustworthy and honest security guard, watchman, and private detective. 7. Shall keep his allegiance first to the government where he is assigned to serve with loyalty and utmost dedication. 8. He shall diligently and progressively familiarize himself with the rules and regulations laid down by his agency and those of the customer or client. 9. He shall at all times be courteous, respectful, and salute to his superior officer, government official of the establishment where he is assigned to, and the company is supposed to serve. 10. He shall report for duty always in proper uniform and neat in his appearance. And 11. He shall learn at heart and strictly observe the laws and regulations governing the use of firearms. Code of Conduct Number 1. He shall carry with him at all times during his tour of duty his license, identification card, and duty detailed order with an authority to carry firearms. 2. He shall not use his license or privilege to the prejudice of the public, clients or customer, and his agency. 3. He shall not engage in any unnecessary conversation to anybody except in the discharge of his work, and shall at all time keep himself on alert during his tour of duty. 4. He shall not read newspaper, magazine, books, etc. while actually performing his duty. 5. He shall not drink any intoxicating liquor immediately before and during his tour of duty. 6. He shall know the location of alarm box near his post and sound the alarm immediately in case of fire and disorder. 7. He shall know how to operate any fire extinguisher in his post. 8. He shall know the location of the telephone number of the police present, as well as the telephone number of the fire station in the locality. 9. He shall immediately notify the police in case of any sign of disorder, strike, riot, or any serious violation of the law. 10. He or his group or guard shall not participate and integrate in any disorder, strike, riot, or serious violation of the law. 11. He shall assist the police in the preservation and maintenance of peace and order and the protection of life and property, having in mind that the nature of his responsibility is similar to that of a latter. 12. He shall familiarize himself with the Private Security Agency Law RA 5487 as amended, and the PNP SAGSD implementing rules and regulation. Then 13. When issued a pass, he should not lend his pass to anybody. 14. He shall always in proper uniform and shall always carry with him his basic requirements and equipment such as writing notebook, ballpen, nightstick, baton, and radio. He shall endeavor at all times to merit and be worthy of the trust and confidence of the company he shall endeavor to the merit and be worthy of the trust and confidence of the company, of the agency he represents, and the client he serves. 11. General Order 1. To take charge of dispose and all government property in view. 2. To walk my post in military manners, keeping always on alert and observe everything that takes place within sight or hearing. 3. To report all violation of orders I am instructed to enforce. 4. To repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. 6. To receive, obey, pass to the sentinel who relieves me all orders from the commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of guard only. 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. 8. To give an alarm in case of fire and disorder. 9. To call the commander of the reliefs in any case not covered with instruction. 10. To salute to all officer, all colors and standard not is. 11. To be especially watchful at night and during the time of challenging to challenge all person on or near my post and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.